humanities, with several students scoring above 90% and others achieving distinction in various subjects. Most of the students have taken admission in the prestigious colleges and universities across the country, pursuing fields ranging from engineering, medicine, law, arts, business, and technology. I would like to mention our science stream topper Krishna Agrawal, who has cleared his JEE mains with 98.4%, and the topper of commerce Yuvraj Dhingra has also cleared his CA foundation.
Last year, our class 10 students also have made us incredibly proud with their excellent CBSE board exam results. We saw a 100% pass percentage with many students securing impressive grades across all subjects. A special congratulations goes to Soumya Kumar, who topped with an impressive 94%. Soumya also excelled in individual subjects, securing the highest scores in English, Hindi, and science. Congratulations to Soumya and all our class 10th young achievers. We are so proud of you.
At Vidya Jain Public School, we believe in creating a supportive learning environment.
To improve their speaking skills, we have partnered with Beyond School, a Mumbai-based organization training students for spoken English. To foster a culture of confident speakers, we have introduced English language ambassadors spanning from nursery to grade 12. These ambassadors motivate and guide their peers to improve their speaking skills. Through peer-to-peer learning, students gain confidence in expressing themselves. We are soon going to introduce a modern English language lab.
Vidya Jain Public School, we believe that language is not just a subject but a life skill that empowers students to express themselves and succeed.
Lorsque vous apprenez la langue française, cela aide à améliorer notre prononciation de l'anglais.
Computer science is fascinating. As you study computer science, you can find that you develop your mind. It is literally like doing exercise all day long. In our school, we have computer science and informatic practices as well, in which we students are getting excellent marks. Also, we are teaching artificial intelligence in 9th and 10th. We have computer lab in our school and updated softwares are given to students. Our focus is more on providing practicals to the students so that they could understand much better. Our school has introduced robotics, journalism and photography club for the students, those who are interested.
At Vidya Jain Public School, social science is a vital subject that bridges classroom learning with real-life application.
Social science is a vital subject that bridges classroom learning with real-life applications. In junior classes, it is introduced as applied behavioral science, helping students understand the basics of human behavior, society, and values through interactive activities. In senior classes, social science expands into history, geography, political science, economics, sociology, psychology, and legal studies. This comprehensive curriculum equips students with a deeper understanding of society, governance, culture, and global issues.
Here we bring life to the sciences. Through hands-on learning experiences, we spark curiosity and deepen the understanding of our students. We promote experiential and inquiry-based learning. Our well-equipped labs for physics, chemistry, and biology, they give a real-world exposure to our students, igniting them to explore the future paths in the field of technology and engineering. With regular assessments, out-of-the-box question banks, activity-based learning, and educational excursions, we focus on holistic education, ensuring that our students gain a robust conceptual foundation for diverse scientific fields.
हमारे विद्यालय में कक्षा का आरंभ गीता श्लोक से एवं अल्पाहार के समय गीता मंत्र का पाठ चलता है। हमारे विद्यालय परंपरा में अध्यापकों एवं विद्यार्थियों का जन्म दिवस भारतीय संस्कृति के अनुरूप संस्कृत श्लोक तथा मंत्रों के द्वारा मनाया जाता है। विश्व बंधुत्व की ओर कैसे प्रेरित करता है संस्कृत, मैं एक श्लोक के माध्यम से आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। विश्व बंधुत्वमुद्घोषयात् पावनम विश्ववन्द्यै चरित्रै जगत् पावयत् विश्वमेतं कुटुम्बं समालोकयत् विश्वमेतं कुटुम्बं समालोकयत् भूतले भाति में नारतं भारतं भूतले भाति मे नारतं भारतम्.
Every month as a theme, we take one state of India. Through engaging activities, students learn about the unique culture, languages, tradition, food and festival of each state. This immersive experience helps broaden their understanding and appreciation of India heritage, making learning fun and enriching.
As a kindergarten teacher, I love helping my children so that they can learn and grow. Following the NEP guidelines, we focus on strong foundation with letters and words like A for apple and B for ball. Through various activities, we make them learn how to form a word, spell them, and build confidence. My goal is to make my learning joyful and prepare them for a bright future. Inculcating values in children is also very important. Every month, we focus on one value through storytelling, poster making, and discussion with all the students in all the classes. Every month, we also invite one parent from each class to discuss value with the students. Additionally, we also conduct workshops for the parents, students, and teachers for the holistic development and create a tension-free environment in the school.
जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि खेल और शिक्षा दोनों एक साथ ही चलते हैं और इसी चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारा स्कूल विद्याचरण पब्लिक स्कूल बच्चों के पूर्ण विकास के लिए काम करता है और हमारे स्कूल में एक बहुत अच्छा खेल का स्ट्रक्चर है, बहुत इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमारा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, जिसमें हमारे बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट, वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट, फुटबॉल ग्राउंड और क्रिकेट नेट्स एंड ताइक्वांडो और स्केटिंग तो हमने प्री प्राइमरी क्लास के लिए मैंडेटरी किया हुआ है, जिसमें चेस भी है ताकि जो प्राइमरी क्लास का जो स्टूडेंट है वो डे 1 से ही मोबिलिटी एक्सरसाइज या ब्रेन स्ट्रोमिंग एक्सरसाइज को कर पाए और आगे हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि हम इसी तरीके से बच्चों के विकास के लिए काम करते रहें। डिफरेंट लेवल पे हमारे बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, जोनल लेवल पे, इंटर जोनल लेवल पे और स्टेट लेवल पे भी हमारे बच्चे योगा में, हमारे बच्चे ताइक्वांडो में, स्केटिंग में, डिफरेंट गेम्स में हमारे मेडल्स आते रहे हैं।
योग का हमारे जीवन में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहा है। योग ने हमारे विद्यार्थियों और शिक्षकों के मानसिक और शारीरिक विकास के लिए महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है। योग प्रतियोगिताओं में हमारे विद्यार्थियों ने बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लिया है और बहुत से पदक भी हासिल किए हैं। हमारे विद्यालय में शिक्षकों के लिए भी योग कक्षाएं शुरू की गई हैं, जिनका लाभ वे आनंद पूर्वक उठा रहे हैं। आजकल हमारी व्यस्त दिनचर्या को लेकर बहुत सी बीमारियां प्रभावित कर रही हैं हमें, जिन पर योग के द्वारा काबू पाया जा रहा है।
Here we not only focus on students as well as on the teachers. Every day ends with the music and a dance session to help everyone unwind their emotions.
Our principal ma'am hosts Chai Par Charcha to support teachers with personal and professional challenges. Birthdays are celebrated in an inclusive atmosphere for both students as well as for the teachers. Beyond academics, we aim to build tomorrow's leader.
We teach even our youngest students to manage emotions and support their peers by having 2 peer counselors in each class.
Based on our school main principle, we try to inculcate the wisdom related to spirituality.
On every Friday, we have meditation sessions wherein it helps the children to make aware of themselves better. After lunch break, nap time is mandatory from class nursery till 12th. It helps to relax and calm their mind. Inclusive education ensures that students with special needs learn alongside with their peers in mainstream schools, fostering acceptance, equal opportunities, and holistic development.
As from the HR department, we recruit the candidates who have strong sanskaras and moral values, ensuring they can be positive role models for the children. To welcome our new staff, we offer a token of Tulsi plant along with Aarti and Tilak ceremony, symbolizing growth, positivity, and a warm start to our journey together.
सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मैं विद्याचरण पब्लिक स्कूल में आज 25 साल से काम कर रही हूँ। मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि जो इस स्कूल से मुझे प्यार, इज्जत, सहयोग मिला है, मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि ये मेरा एक परिवार है और मेरी जान बसती है स्कूल में। मैंने बड़ी लगन से स्कूल में काम किया है और इसी से ही मेरा आज तक जितना भी मेरी लाइफ है इसी स्कूल से ही चली है। तो मैं चंद शब्दों में इसका अपना ये बयान कर सकती हूँ कि आगे आने वाले टाइम पर ये स्कूल नहीं, ये आकाश की बुलंदियों को छुएगा एक न एक दिन, क्योंकि ये मेरा आशीर्वाद है और ये मेरा प्यार है स्कूल के लिए।
As we all know, how important co-curricular is the holistic development of a child. So here, we integrate art, dance, music and theatre into students through various activities that enrich our culture. I hope and pray that we together continue on the path of success.
Speaking about the infrastructure of a school, which is thoughtfully designed to support the holistic development of every student. Our school provides a conducive environment for academic excellence, creative exploration, and physical well-being. Starting with the laboratories, we have a chemistry lab, physics lab, bio lab, and a computer lab that are equipped with the state-of-the-art apparatus and tools to encourage scientific curiosity and hands-on learning. Moving forward to music and dance room, to foster artistic expressions, we have a dedicated music room that is filled with a variety of instruments and a dance room with ample space. In addition, our electronic library provides access to e-books, online research materials, and educational videos, making learning more accessible and engaging in the digital age. We also have a preschool wing that is a vibrant, nurturing space designed for our youngest leaders. With colorful classrooms, playful furniture, and interactive learning tools, it creates an ideal information for their foundational years of education. We also provide smart and digital classrooms with the latest technology such as interactive whiteboards and digital projectors.
Thank you.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः